U.S. SEC is investigating hedge fund Melvin Capital Management, per Wall Street Journal. Now, why could this be a big deal in the light of recent events such as the new ape share? Well, we've seen a lot of bullish momentum, and this could actually force other hedge funds to mitigate their risk exposure to AMC stock. It could force them to cover on their shorts a lot faster than what would otherwise have been done. So we're going to go over exactly what this article says and talk about a little bit more in depth how this could affect AMC stock. This will be a short, sweet, straight to the point kind of video, so hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys like those kind of videos, and if you want to trade with me in real time, link down below in the description of this video as well. Nonetheless, as of today, August 11th, Reuters says the U.S. securities regulator is looking into Melvin Capital Management's risk controls and investor disclosures after the hedge fund was hammered by the meme stock rally last year, the Wall Street Journal reported on Thursday. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, contacted the hedge fund investors in recent months and is probing whether the company misled them when it raised money last year, the report said, citing people familiar with the matter. The SEC is also seeking information on what the firm, founded by Gabe Plotkin, disclosed about the risk of his investment strategy to clients, according to the report. An SEC spokesperson declined to comment to a request from Reuters. Melvin Capital said in May it would shut down after taking a beating during this year's market slump. The hedge fund also posted heavy losses in 2021, partly because of its bets against meme stock GameStop Corporation. Now, what this is essentially doing, let's boil this down to English. They're going to look into Melvin Capital and say, was there misleading things happening? And a little fun fact about myself, I actually experienced this with a company myself, and I had to sue them. It was actually a security company. It's called silent fraud, where if a company, an organization, no matter what it is, if they lead you on and say something is better than what they think it will be, and they also leave out a key detail like, hey, we're putting 10% of our whole portfolio value into shorting meme stocks, and if those things 10x in value, you're going to lose all your money. That is silent fraud. That is a big thing that Melvin Capital should have said. Now, how does this relate to new hedge funds this time on? By the way, if you guys are curious, yes, I did win the lawsuit because silent fraud is still fraud, and you cannot leave out key details like that. But nonetheless, what does this do for hedge funds right now? Because obviously some of them have larger exposures to hedge funds or to AMC than other hedge funds, right? Some guys are going to be larger players in the whole meme stock, call it quote unquote meme stock sector of the stock market. Now, the guys with larger hedge funds and larger positions on AMC, they might look at this investigation and say, hey, what is the odds of seeing AMC or some of these other stocks 10xing again in the future, and what are our odds of, taking a big loss and getting sued as well, getting investigated by the SEC. And I think this is like the least of hedge funds' concerns, is this whole silent fraud mismanagement thing. I think if, hedge funds are really investigated by the SEC, some of them would have a lot more dirt than that over their heads. So when you boil those two factors together, it seems like the logical answer would be hedge funds would be more inclined to cover on some of their short positions, especially the ones that are super exposed to stocks like AMC, GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, so on and so forth, because they wouldn't want the same fate as Melvin Capital. And to actually see them being investigated after everything Melvin Capital has been through, shutting down their hedge fund, posting massive losses, it's not a great sentiment or precedent to set for other hedge funds, specifically in the meme stock sector. So I think that is really the big thing this could do for AMC stock. And just a brief overview of what we're looking at for AMC stock, we're up about 7%, 67% positive order value, 101 orders totaling about 15.22 million. I will just tell you guys, a lot of people are betting on AMC stock going above $20 by the end of this week. By tomorrow, a lot of bullish bets going through, not as many bearish bets, and the bearish bets we are seeing are really hedges against their bullish bets. A lot of that activity is for tomorrow's expiration. A lot of it is for August 19th. So I do think, regardless of the whole Melvin Capital hedge fund situation, you're probably going to continue to see some bullish momentum in AMC stock. Now, the current dollar amount of short interest of AMC sitting at 2.15 billion. That is a lot of dollar hollers that is short in AMC stock. 2.15 billion. Imagine if that makes its way into our portfolios. Estimated short interest of free float 17.67%. Free float out on loan 25.68%. Also looking good right there. Shares out on loan 132.34 million. Days covered 2.84. Cost to borrow 8.89 and 100% share utilization. Cost to borrow max at 11%. It's been at 11% all day. Yesterday it was at 73%, and it was at 73% for like 12 hours. So this was indeed not a glitch. This was the actual cost to borrow max because of the big turnaround that AMC stock seen from the beginning of the day, down about 8.5–9% at the lows, closing up 5.5%. No surprise, cost to borrow also jumped in a very respectable way, let's just say that. So 11% cost to borrow max, cost to borrow average at 8.51%, and cost to borrow minimum at 7.94%. Nonetheless, this is a short, sweet, straight to the point kind of video, so that is going to do it. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Source, comments, questions, or concerns down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this Melvin Capital situation, and most importantly, guys, it's almost Friday. You got to get those holiday plans going. You got to let me know down below in the comment section. What are you guys doing over your holiday? Not holiday. I wish it every weekend's a holiday, okay? Over this weekend that we are seeing. I'm personally going to go fishing, spend time with the family, with the little Ling Ling, and with the girlfriend and the mother. So let me know what you guys are doing down below in the comment section. Nonetheless, get your free stocks, like I said, down below in the description as well. If you want to come trade with me, you guys know the spiel, down below in the description as well. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.